As the leaves begin to turn and the air grows crisp, there's no better time to embrace the spirit of renewal than by giving your space a thorough refresh. But here's the twist. It's not just about tidying up, it's about strategically targeting areas that often fly under the radar. This September, I'm zeroing in on 5 specific items that deserve a little extra attention. And you might be surprised by what made the list. From everyday essentials to overlooked nooks. These are the spots that can make a big difference in maintaining a clean, healthy, and organized home. And this is the part most people miss. It's not about doing it all at once, but about focusing on what matters most for a practical and achievable fresh start. Chapter 1. Lunchboxes and water bottles. The daily essentials with the return to school and work routines. Lunchboxes and water bottles become daily companions. But here's where it gets controversial. These items, often handled and used repeatedly, can harbor bacteria if not cleaned properly. Karina Tonner, a cleaning expert, emphasizes the importance of a deep clean in September. Especially because they hold food every day, it's worth the effort to give these items a thorough cleaning to prevent bacteria from tagging along to school or work, she advises. For this task, she recommends the OXO Good Grips cleaning set, which includes brushes of various sizes to tackle every nook and cranny. The ergonomic design makes scrubbing easier, and the durable yet gentle bristles ensure your containers last longer without scratching. Maria Mooney, a non-toxic cleaning expert, adds that water bottles, which may have been neglected during the summer, can accumulate dust. She suggests soaking them with a truly free home everyday cleaner to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. This simple step can make a significant difference in maintaining hygiene. Underbed storage. The hidden haven. For those living in smaller spaces, underbed storage is a lifesaver. But here's the part most people miss. This area often becomes a dumping ground for dust and forgotten items. Karina advises taking the time to clear out dust bunnies and organize storage bins to maximize this valuable space. It's out of sight, but it shouldn't be out of mind, she says. Decluttering and organizing under the bed can prevent common mistakes and make the space more functional. If you're in need of new storage solutions, Karina recommends the Sterilite 28-Cuter Underbed Storage Box. Its low profile fits perfectly under most beds, and the snap-on lid keeps items dust-free. Adding labels with a label maker, like the Brother P-Touch PTD 200G, can help you find what you need without rummaging through everything. Laundry hampers, the unsung heroes. Laundry hampers are often overlooked, yet they come into contact with sweat, bacteria, and dirt daily. And this is the part most people miss. Neglecting them can lead to lingering odors in your clothes. Jekko de Leon, an operations manager at Bear Brothers Cleaning, warns that these bags can house bacteria and cause unpleasant smells if not cleaned regularly. He recommends using a fabric-safe disinfecting spray like Microban disinfectant spray weekly, or washing the hamper if it's machine washable. Always check the care labels to avoid damage. 4. Backpacks. The everyday companions backpacks are our constant companions. But when was the last time you gave yours a good clean? But here's where it gets controversial. These bags often end up on the floor, collecting crumbs, spills, and musty smells. Jekko suggests wiping the inside with Lysol disinfectant wipes before washing any fabric liners on a gentle cycle. Karina adds, don't forget the zippers and straps. They're magnets for dirt and bacteria. For tougher stains, a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner like the Bissell Little Green can work wonders, especially on fabric interiors. 5. Umbrella stands. The seasonal essentials. As September brings the first wet days in many areas, it's the perfect time to clean your umbrella stand. And this is the part most people miss. The bottom of the stand can harbor mold and mildew if not checked regularly. Jekko recommends using a mold and mildew killer like Mold Armor to tackle this issue. A damp duster, such as the Scrub Daddy Damp Duster, can also help remove dust and grime efficiently. Expert tips and recommendations. Karina Tonner. Focus on monthly tasks that align with seasonal changes to keep your home in top shape. Maria Mooney. Prioritize non-toxic cleaning solutions to create a healthier living environment. Jekko de Leon. Regular maintenance of often overlooked items can prevent long-term issues. What to shop? Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Perfect for refreshing backpacks and fabric interiors. Scotch Brite Glass and Water Bottle Brush. A tough yet gentle brush for cleaning bottles and glassware. Amazon Basics Under-Bed Storage Container Bags. Clear windows and handles make under-bed storage a breeze. Tide to Go Instant Laundry Stain Remover Pen. A pocket-sized solution for stubborn stains on backpacks and laundry. Scrub Daddy Damp Duster. Reusable and effective for cleaning umbrella stands and other surfaces. Final thoughts. September is the perfect month to give your home a practical fresh start. By focusing on these 5 areas, you can maintain a clean, organized, and healthy living space. But here's the question. Which of these tasks will you tackle first? And do you have any additional items you think deserve a spot on this list? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas and experiences.